Get ready, Crystal Beach, Texas. Mardi Gras is rolling in Saturday, February 14th at 11:30 a.m. The Mardi Gras Parade 2026 takes over Bolivar Peninsula with beads, music, and coastal fun. It's a Valentine's Day, a 3-day weekend, and President's Day Monday. Make it the perfect time for family and friends and beach vibes. Bring the kids, catch the parade, enjoy local food, live music, and make memories on the sand. Celebrate Mardi Gras Texas style in Crystal Beach, Texas, February 14th.
Hey everybody, Mike from Latitude. Thanks for dropping in to us at the beach. What a gorgeous, beautiful day. Love the beach this time of year. Love the beach year round, but love the beach this time of year. If you haven't come down in January, February, this is a great time. It's quiet. There's a lot of solitude. There's people down here, but it's a lot of solitude. I had a family come in from San Antonio yesterday, and they just mentioned they had never come here. They've always gone to Port A, and this time they decided to come here just for a little bit different thing, and they fell in love with this place. They said, you know, there were great deals this time of year. The houses, I don't remember what they said, like 40% off or 50% off the house they rented. A lot of choices sort of last minute, but they loved it. They came down and said it was great. But we've done our inventory now. We're getting new stuff in. We're getting started for the next season, the 2026 season. We were at Surf Expo earlier in the month. Found some really great stuff. We did Traffic out of Austin, which is another buying show, real key to us. We did that in November, and that stuff's coming in. So the next holiday coming up is going to be Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras down here is fun, it's clean, and it's a great family event. We will have floats coming down Highway 87 for probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Floats will come down. A lot of businesses, a lot of families, a lot of homes, a lot of other things will put the floats on. The road will be shut down, and it's just a lot of fun. It's a great event. Mardi Gras happens to be on Valentine's Day this year. So we will have Valentine's Day going on at the shop. We'll have Mardi Gras stuff going on at the shop. Come by, check out our Valentine's Day gear. Bring your wife down to tell her Happy Valentine's Day, and the family down. Y'all can do the Mardi Gras parade, as well as go out shop, go out and have dinner. It's just a great time. Valentine's Day and Mardi Gras will be a lot of fun this year. We've got a lot of great Valentine's Day stuff in. My wife was actually about 3 weeks ago, before we're already doing this in advance, about 3 weeks ago, we were driving in from Lubbock, and we went up to see my son, and my wife was shopping for Mardi Gras stuff and shopping for Valentine's Day stuff, and she's got some really, really, really cute stuff coming in. So come on by Latitude, come down to the peninsula. It's just gonna be awesome. I promise you, you can't go wrong. You will come down, you will love it. Hey guys, check out these guys. You will love it. You come down from Mardi Gras, you will have so much fun. It's going to be way different than what you would find in Louisiana, New Orleans. It's going to be way different than what you're going to find in Galveston. This is going to be very clean, very quiet, not quiet, but a lot of fun, very clean, very simple, not something you're going to have to hide the kids' eyes from, and you'll just really enjoy it. It's a great family adventure down here in Bolivar that weekend. February 14th, 2026, Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras weekend. You'll have a great time. Come on down.
Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.